Cooler Man's Garage here. Welcome. Yeah, it's mail call. We got some mail. Amazing. I wonder what it is. Now, we have been saving up for something special, but this was more of a gimmicky toy, I guess it will be, just to see what would happen. I think it's that one, okay? It was like $50 US. So if you say it comes with a case, I think. So say $10 for the case, $20 for the controller, $20 for the drone. That's about what we're talking about. But what is it? Okay, what is it? Well, let's have a look. That's what we're going to do right here. 1, 2, and 3. That's all I need that for. There we go. What do we got here? We have, ooh, look at that. What's that say there? K12 Max. But it's different. The K12 Max has been out for a long time. Not like this though, I don't think. Let's have a look. Put that away. We'll have to pick that up later. Nicely packed. If we can get into it. There we go. Nicely packed. Come on. There we go. Nicely packed. Well, maybe not so nicely packed. Okay, that's what it looks like. K12 Max. And the difference is, yes, that controller. It comes with a controller. Let's have a look at this. That one. It does come in a case. Look at this. Wow. Yes. We could be an infomercial. And no, nobody sent it to me. I bought it. Okay, I thought it would be fun, different. Okay, so we'll look at that a little bit later. Okay, here it is. This is everything right here. Okay, it goes like that, like that. It's so well made, so well made. Anyway, ta-da! Look at that, eh? I'll put that up here. Look at this. We have a controller menu thingy here. It tells you all about it. Problem is, well, no, it's got English underneath. There's that there. If you can read it. Okay, I'll have a look at that later. Comes with, it's a beefy little, it's massive. It's like 2 inches wide. Massive. Well, they feel better than the Hubsan Zeno original ones. All kinds of buttons. We got to go over them to find out what they're all about. Yeah, and it's got a USB-C. And guess what is that? I don't know if that's an SD card or not. We will find out. Okay, but there is some kind of an SD card in there. It's unlabeled. Okay, so here we go. See, SD card, but it's not labeled. So I don't know what it is. I'll put that in my other machine and have a look. We have a USB-C here. So it's got an internal battery. Oh, look at that. So this is if you want to put your phone in here, I guess. Okay, but you don't need to. I guess you can. So I guess you can run it through Wi-Fi and connect by Wi-Fi. Buttons. Okay, very toyish. Very toyish. That's going to be fun. Okay, we have a user manual that's in English, folded wing, all this kind of stuff to look at. Amazing. Apparently it does, oh, on these, some more information on the controller. I'm going to have a lot to read anyway. Look at this. 2 batteries. Tiny, tiny batteries. What are they? I can't quite read what they are, but they're not very big batteries. I mean, there's my hand. They're tiny, tiny batteries, but you get 2 of them. Look at that, eh? And then there's the drone. The drone is as big as my hand. Okay, you've got obstacle avoidance on top. Okay, let's see if we can take this film off here. There we go. Take that film off, just lay it in there for now. We have extra props. We have, whoa, let's just put this down here. What else do we get? We get extra set of props. A whole, well, no, just 4 of them. That's right, an extra set. We get a USB-C, 2 USB-Cs. Why would we get 2 USB-Cs? Well, you have to charge the batteries. Oh no, there we go. One should be a micro USB. Yep, okay. The batteries are micro USB right about there, right underneath there. Micro USB. Okay, so we got 2 of those. We can charge them out. We got that, 2 cables, screwdriver, that's in there. We have this, and how does this unfold? Boom, boom. So it's not, actually it is. It's bigger than I thought it was. It is bigger than I thought it was. Okay, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was. I'm going to look to see if there's any pieces of paper that are stuck that you got to take out. No, it's got some lights in the front, nothing in the back. No lights in here. Oh, the antenna's sticking out here. Got to be careful of that. Keep that pointing out when it's down. Okay, don't know how far you're going to get. Have to look at, maybe put some specs up here to see what it's about. A lot bigger than I thought it was. Okay, and we're just going to have to go. What else is in here? Take that out. Got some paperwork there. Got that there. This here. And a little piece of paper here from somewhere. Don't know. That's there. Put this back in here. There we go. That's all in there. We'll put everything back in here. There. And there we go. Let's put this back here. Don't know. That kind of fit on there with them like that, right? Yeah. And that was on like that. Too bad they're not really protected. So let's take this out here. There we go. I can probably sink that a little bit lower. Might be better that way, I don't know. It's not a very perfect case, but we shall see. Okay, put this on here. Fold this back up. 1, 2. We're going to charge the batteries up. Okay, boom, boom. Put them there. That goes there, like that. We're going to put this on here. That's there. Just like that there. Boom. And we're back again. Sorry about that interruption. We kind of lost everything there because these mics, I didn't charge them up, and once one goes dead, that's it. And I didn't know how low the battery was. So, my fault. We're back with the K12 Max. We've seen the unboxing. That's all it was. That's all I want to introduce you to. I got to get reading up on it a little bit. There is a video out there where the company shows you exactly how to do it. Pretty well self-explanatory. I think I got the controller figured out. We're just charging up the app right now, pardon me, with the batteries and the controller. And I found out that the SD card that's in there is a 250 megabyte card. Tiny, tiny, tiny. So I replaced that with a 1 gig card. I've got an old 1 gig card, so we're going to try that. It's not going to be anything spectacular, but we're going to see what happens anyway. Maybe I'll do a speed test, a VariDrive test on both of them, see what they are. Anyway, so we've got this thing, we're ready to go just about. And what else did I find out? I found out that, yes, the batteries on the aircraft itself are 1800 milliamps, 3.7 volts. Okay, so they are They're just a regular LiPo battery, one cell, nothing great. Anyway, that's it. This is just the unboxing. I'm excited. I want to see what it's like. Now you can buy it with a regular controller without the screen inside. You can buy that. And I think the whole thing is like with 2 batteries is $30 US. So this special remote here is an extra 15 or 20 bucks. So there you go. That's the way that works. Don't know how it's going to work. It's supposed to hover, it's supposed to do flips, supposed to do something. I don't think there's any telemetry in it. Okay, so I'm just going to use it in the backyard like it is now. There's no wind, things like that. Okay, maybe fun in the winter, hone the skills, do some stuff, a toy. It says on the box here, not for children under 3 years of age. Okay, but in the advertising online it says 12 years and under. Shouldn't be, you know, whatever. Anyway, so there we go. That's about it. What's coming up here? Well, I'm hopeful in about another 6 days or 5 days, or maybe by the end of the week, hopefully, I've got the Fimi X8 Tele coming with the megaphone adapter. But it's the gray edition. I didn't want everything the same. I didn't want the same one. I wasn't going to. But I got a pretty good deal on it. Oh, there we go. So, and then the next one, the Fimi Mini 3 SE. Don't think I'm gonna get into that one because it's basically the X8 Mini. I don't know what the differences are. I've asked Fimi what the differences are, or why they went that route, why they went to the EIS system, because it's basically a 2 mechanical axis gimbal with EIS as the third, and it's 4K 30. Don't know why they did that, but that's not for me to say, is it? No, okay, what are the puppies looking at? Well, they dug up some dirt, now they're growling at it. Oh well. That's it for today. Again, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, let me know what you want. We're saving up some money for something special. Nothing special has come. And no, I didn't spend any of the saved up money on the Fimi. That's all my money. Okay? And anything else coming? No, that's about it. I got some odds and ends coming, but not related to drones. There you go. So we'll see you next time. Take care. And if you got puppies, look after them. Mine are just after something. I'm going to figure that out. Anyway, bye now.